if you want your listeners to believe that you're talking about a genuinely emotional topic or you're displaying a specific emotion, then you stay in that emotion. For example, if you wanted to depict the emotion that someone is angry with somebody, right? So person A is angry with person B. So you wouldn't probably say person A was angry with person B. Person A was very mad with person B. You wouldn't say a thing like that. Probably if you were to give that impact, you would say something like, and as B was leaving and about to slam the door, A shouted, "What the hell do you think of yourself? Is this the way to talk to your father?" So, see the difference? The anger is visible in the way you said it when you are in that emotion, when you feel that emotion and say it out. So hopefully this helps you prepare yourself to give a relevant emotion. Voice modulation. Again, this is the same example that I gave. It answers that as well, that if it's a voice modulation with respect to an emotion, so you stay in the emotion as you feel it, you will be able to get that voice modulation. If it is anything tangential to the way that you feel versus what you want to project, then your audience and your listeners will get the difference and know and understand that it's fake. So I would not recommend you to try anything of that sort, because people do not generally believe a fake speaker. They can consciously and subconsciously be able to differentiate